Megan has been pranking us all day, and we're gonna get her back. So I'm just now getting back from my lunch, and I'm not buying it. All right, I'm at the side door, and I don't like how this is going. Oh, geez. I'm going in. One. I think it's a little unfair. I only have 3 bullets. Oh, I saw it. Dead shot. Anybody in the face, but I will. Well, it was a great April Fool's Day. I'm glad everyone was such a great sport about everything, and they pranked me like beyond anything I could think of, and it was awesome. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a great day for us here. Thanks for watching.